In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal without PayPal account. We're going to enable PayPal's guest checkout, so customers can pay you with a debit or credit card without signing in or creating a PayPal account. This is a merchant side setting, and once it's on, eligible buyers will see a Pay with Debit or Credit Card option during checkout. Start by going to PayPal and signing into the account that receives your payments. From your dashboard, open Settings by clicking the small gear icon, usually located in the top right corner. This takes you to your account settings area, where you can control how your checkout behaves. Next, navigate to Seller Tools. Depending on the layout you see, this might appear as a tab or a link within your account settings. This section contains all the selling-related preferences, including how your website checkout works. Inside Seller Tools, look for Website Preferences and open it. This page manages your hosted checkout settings, return URLs, and other behaviors that affect the buyer experience when someone pays you through PayPal from your site or payment buttons. On the Website Preferences page, find the setting labeled PayPal Account Optional, sometimes referred to as Guest Checkout. Make sure this setting is turned on. When it's on, buyers who don't want to log in or don't have a PayPal account can complete the purchase using their card information directly on the PayPal checkout page. If you change the toggle, confirm that the page indicates the preference is enabled. In many layouts, this saves automatically, but verify that your changes are applied before leaving the page. A few notes to set expectations. This feature is intended for business accounts and may not appear on personal accounts. Availability also depends on the buyer's country, currency, and PayPal's risk checks. That means some buyers might still be prompted to log in or create an account if PayPal determines it's necessary. Standard PayPal processing fees still apply, and the transaction will be processed by PayPal even though the buyer pays as a guest. If you don't see Seller Tools or Website Preferences, you may need to switch to a business account or check that your account is fully verified. It's also a good idea to test your checkout in a private browser window and ensure your payment buttons or integration use PayPal's standard checkout flow that supports guest payments. And that's it. By enabling PayPal account optional in Website Preferences, you make it easier for customers to pay you without a PayPal account, reducing friction and helping you capture more sales.